Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to notify an admin in nerDigital Chatbot marketing. Before we start, you need to make sure that your admin is set to receive notifications. To do that, navigate to Menu. Go to Settings. Choose Admins. Then, click the Edit button below. Find the admin from who you want to receive notifications. Now, make sure the email address is the one you want to use to receive notifications. Toggle on all notification types. Under Notification Channels, you can choose Messenger or Email, or you can choose both. However, we highly recommend this setup. Toggle off Messenger and toggle on Email. Then, click Save. Once your admin is set, you are ready to add Notify Admins in your flows. Then, let's try it out. Navigate to Menu and go to Flows. Click on the Add Flow button and name your flow. Then, click on Continue. Let's build a simple flow. Now, let's add the Notify Admin action. Here's an example of an action you can do. Once you're done, publish your flow. Now, let's preview and test. There you have it. We have just notified an admin via email. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.